padlock, one each. What we got here? I've ordered so much stuff that I don't know which one this is. Oh yeah. This was an Eagle US government. Supposed to be new old stock, so not used supposedly. Appears it has a replaceable core on it. Looks like some wicked bidding on there. Oh, look at that. It's got dream bidding on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the most wickedest bidding I've ever seen come standard on a key. That's gonna be a fun pick. Anyway, let's see what else we got. We got the Eagle government padlock. Where the keys fell. Oh, they're original keys. Got a collector's item there. Got another bag here. I don't know what it is. Oh, I think that's a little knife I ordered. I don't know what this is either, but oh yeah, this is collector's item too. New old stock. Yeah, it's still in the freaking sealed original bags. These are Corbin padlocks. With the inscribable tag there, little dog tag, and a key. Oh, I don't even know if I should take this out of the bag. This is a vintage lock. Vintage Corbin. Still brand new in the bag. I don't even know if I want to open these things. I might just put them for sale. I didn't know they were still in mint condition. Alright, well, we got two Corbins in mint condition here. Vintage and an Eagle government padlock, which I'll be picking soon. And what else did Santa bring? Santa brought me a little knife here. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Huh? Nice. A nice little new letter opener, I guess. Anyway, I got a couple Corbins, mint condition here. I think I might auction these off. Put these for sale. Actually, I have about a dozen herd new old stock coming too. They're vintage. But anyway, anyone's interested in these Corbins, I'll leave these in the bag. I really don't want to. If I take them out of the bag, I might lose value. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be picking this lock pretty soon here.